Happy Holi to everyone. This year we are not celebrating Holi, but we are do wishing everyone and we wish that we can play Holi from the next year and this pandemic goes away. Right now it's 9:45 p.m. We have to think a lot while speaking through our videos because we may get toxic comments from others. Our videos portraits represents conveys a message which is always very heartfelt that we should tell others about these issues, the problem which we have now. Others should also know through videos, but rather than getting genuine people to understand the message behind the video, we get all these spams, all the toxics, and people who are not required here under this roof. Some words are beneath unfold, so when it comes out it's not ready to come out. I repeat words. I just think that I have to make a video, then I start on the camera and start thinking this is my genuine video. I read about people who are very clear, innocent to convey messages to others. But I feel very sorry when there we find very toxic people's comments. So people who are so negative without considering having a second thought and writing negative in others message box, refrain yourself. Such people, refrain yourself, because your such comments are nowhere required. We want people to understand on genuine videos. Where are those people where the toxic video people, when they make such, you know, not required videos, very vulgar videos, which they call non-veg, which is very toxic to the society. Where are these toxic peoples now who write anything in anybody's comment, but they are not in these videos to write, comment? Then who is motivating such people to make more such videos which seems very abusive, which we cannot see? We feel very, because it is our behavior not to watch such videos. Our culture. But still such videos are there, persisting in the same society. So is there anything we are not revealing, or things are still behind? I mean, what we are teaching to our generation, but when we open the social media, we are afraid to see which generation is that who is spreading such, which is very hard to handle. Who are the groups? Who are those groups? Are they youth or middle aged people? Are they men or women? Because the identity cannot be revealed through their profile. It's just like few months ago, few years ago, they have no subscribers. The identity itself seems very fake, and they have many accounts, and through these profiles they spread and write anything negative in innocent people's channel. There are few people who may think that, yeah, this message is right. The person writing is really must be knowing the person whom he is talking about. So don't write anything in anybody's comment in such a way that other people who are reading it will feel that you both know each other, and you're writing so promptly about the person you know, and that's why you're writing about them. But I have come to know through these medias only, through the mediums which I see, where people have revealed that there are certain groups whose job is only to type and write negative about people. Also, I will state there are groups who just go and share links in other comments, and people will click. There are some dating sites or something, such kind of. So people should be afraid of doing such spreading or creating junks, irrelevant not required. If that was required for you, then you just spread in your group. We, as a people who are in the society, we form culture, we form tradition, we form customs. We like to be happy and don't want those people who are hidden. Cowards they are. They don't have courage to come out and reveal their identity. If they had courage, just put your original profile and write, just see what you will get. Secondly, the people who are harassing innocent people, you think your time won't come, and you think that, oh, I'm so pro, I'm so intelligent. By hiding yourself, you are so intelligent. Don't say. You can be pro, you can be intelligent, you can be courageous only if you say the same thing in front. You come ahead and speak. Show your courage. And then see what you will get. The way your things you write, the way you spread the toxins, you will get the answer in the similar way. जनता जनार्दन आपको सब बता देगी. 12 मिनट्स तो हो चुका है. आज मैं इस बारे में इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं भी बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखती हूँ. उसमें कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छे अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करना चाहते हैं, लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं कि आपको प्रॉब्लम्स है, कुछ इश्यूज़ है, आपको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए. ऐसे ऐसे वीडियोस भी सोशल मीडिया पे अवेलेबल है ना. बट उनके कमेंट्स बॉक्स आप ओपन कर लीजिए, वहाँ पे आप लोगों को ऐसे ही कमेंट्स मिलते हैं. जेन्युइन पीपल बहुत कम आते हैं. I am happy that I have seen the changes in few years, that YouTubers now they have started, you know, answering such negative people. Initially they used to ignore such, let it be, let it go, I don't want to uh, s- ruin my mood. If I say something bad to others, my mood will be off, I will sound bad, I won't have sleep today, I'm in sweet dreams, I won't be relaxed, my inner peace will be gone, etc. etc. But later on, I have seen females, especially, I will appreciate them, and I have learned from them only that we should always reply that you all are wrong. If you're coming here just to say negative about me, I have to think words about, because few things are very sensitive, few things are not thought of. So I am not that prepared, but I have learned from these females how to answer. But it really requires courage, strength, to answer when I always don't have words, but I always admire them, even if they are bad in their mood, but their reply is very, you know, hat trick, such a hat trick comment. So we can give them number 100% complete. I take a pause. So we shall find people, either good people, and if people who are bad, please change your behavior. Check your inner self, how much bad you are, whether you only speak bad or your intentions are also bad, how much toxic, though it's sounding something else, how much toxic you are inside, though you must be sounding that I am right, but when you speak, you show your true self. When you write, you show your true self. And this is how people judge you. So change the bad behavior. And how much beneath you have the bad intentions, change it. It's already 10 o'clock and 17 minutes have passed. 10 o'clock and 17 minutes have passed. So I prompted twice. I checked this also. Now, what should I speak about? Social media is full of songs, people mimicking. Most of are jokes from Tarak Mehta, Jethalal in there. Then, what are the other mimics they do? Few people are very artistic. They play instruments, few of them sing songs. Few have original ideas also, they also share. But I think jokes are much trending on medias. So right now there are two platforms. One is YouTube and one is Instagram, which I follow. And I keep in the loop so that I'm not behind. And someday I'm not left. Oh, you are so old not to understand the new generation. So I cope up. Though I don't play games, I'm trying to hide. I don't play games. I watch videos. I watch Tarak Mehta. I watch Wagli Ki Dunya. Then in between news, Hindi news. Then और क्या करते हैं? यूट्यूब और इंस्टाग्राम में पूरा दिन चला जाता है. हमारे घर पे केबल नहीं है तो हम लोग टोटली इंटरनेट के ऊपर है. तो जियो टीवी है मेरे पास, मैंने वो ऐप डाला है और उस पे जो आता है हिंदी और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेजेस सिलेक्ट करके, और उसमें जो अच्छा आता है वो देखती हूँ। कभी कभी इंग्लिश में भी अच्छे मूवीज़ आते हैं और हिंदी में तो सारे साउथ इंडियन डब मूवीज़ ही आ रहे हैं, यानी कि बॉलीवुड किधर चला गया। और बॉलीवुड के जब आएंगे ना वही सैटरडेज और संडेज को, तो वही मूवीज़ आते हैं। मतलब दे मस्ट हैव परचेज अ मूवी फॉर 1 ईयर, कुछ ऐसा होता है उस लोग के सिस्टम दैट दे व्हाट यू से कॉपीराइट, they purchase a copyright of the movie and they show on the television, and for I think duration is 1 year. This much I know. If there are any changes or revisions, I will come to know later. और मैं क्या बताऊँ, तो हर बार कुछ नया सीखने मिलता है, तो आज मैंने ये सीखा समझा जो आज मैंने बताया है। तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि कुछ बातें बताओ, और भी कुछ अच्छी बातें हैं, लेकिन अच्छी बातें यानी हाउ टू रियलाइज दैट वी आर इन प्रॉब्लम, वी मे नॉट बी नोइंग, बट बिफोर दैट आई थॉट टू कन्वे दैट द बैड कमेंट शुड नॉट कम, द पीपल आर नॉट वेलकम on my channel strictly, so stay away. People who understand, who can relate, identify, analyze, or who want to really learn and understand these things are really happening, and there may be really some unfold truth behind. So before jumping on your decisions, just think and don't comment here, because I'm saying things I know, then only I will speak it. So problems are how to understand we are going to have problems, or we are in a problem. If we are in a problem like anxiety, we will know. Few people, if they don't know, they can simply check whether they are having anxiety, depression, or they stressed. So I will have to stop the video soon. It's better that we have alarm, not to extend video much longer. Then how to analyze ourselves that we have problem. The problem was, I was thinking about, there was a number of list. The new ones. The new ones were if we are always in a hurry and don't have time, we easily feel bored about and not able to adjust. Adjust is not okay, let's keep the word adjust. And you say, no, this is so boring, I don't like this. So you are in problem. If you like a certain flow of what you're doing, and immediately, just within few minutes, few seconds, or few days, you're not able to, few hours you take it, you cannot handle, you cannot hear. I will relate and give you example is, if I like pop music, I won't like classical, that means you are in problem, because you're not adjusting yourself, or you are not knowing your inner self. Adjusting is what? If I am unable to come out, if those things are only attracting me, that means I am in problem. I have to check. And how will I check that I'm unable to come out? This is the example. So how we go about it? First we need to adjust ourselves. Let's start with some random sound. Check it. How much seconds you can hold, bear, and this how later on you can extend it. And then you try to change your attachments. See, these things will also work if you have fallen in love for someone so much. Now you have a broken heart. To come out of that attachment, so now you have to adjust. How? Create a hobby if you don't have. If you had certain interest, but if it reminds you of someone, leave it. Then create a hobby. There are many you will find, and adjusting in this way to improve and come out of the false attachment will help you. This is how we can come out. It's like, two opposite poles of magnet. So you were so attached, but that was artificial magnet, and you are the genuine magnet who is attached to the artificial one. Now when you know things, now you have broken so much, how will the genuine magnet be removed from the artificial one? It's like you cannot pull out immediately. It's like you have to slide the right side or the left side magnet, you know from center. You cannot pull out powerful magnets from each other, but to slide sideways, slowly, the attachment is removed. So if you are in false relation, this is way you can use it. With this I end this video and shall record tomorrow. Hope to have much better content in near future. Bye.